Hello, so today we will start with polynomials. So it's exercise 2.1. First question is question 1. It has which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? So polynomials in one variable. Okay. So first we will 4x2 minus 3x plus 7. So here variable is x. So only one variable is being used. This is called polynomials in one variable. Question is polynomial in one variable, you have to tell. So this is one variable, so it is okay. This is likewise. Second question is y square plus under root 2. Here also variable is 1. So one variable, so it is okay. Then third 3 under root t plus t under root 2. Here the variable here it is not a whole number. So if variable is not a whole number, it is not a whole number. So if variable is not a whole number, then it is not a polynomial. For being polynomial, variable should be in whole number. Then fourth is y plus 2 upon y. Y plus 2 upon y. Here also it is in not a whole number. Y is not a whole number. So that's why not a whole number. Variable is one variable, but it is not in whole number. So this is also not. And then fifth, x10 plus y3 plus t50. Here one variable, two variables, three variables. So this is also not polynomial in one variable. So this is also not there. Okay. Now question number 2. Write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. So in first question, x square 2 plus x square plus x. So here that coefficient comes. Coefficient is here. So if you see here, one is hidden. So its coefficient x square coefficient is plus 1. Okay. In the second, 2 minus x square plus x3. So here also 1 is here. Coefficient is here. So its coefficient is minus 1. Okay. And then third, pi upon 2 x square plus x. So here coefficient, x square's coefficient is this one, pi upon 2. This is before 2, that coefficient comes. Then 1/4 under root 2 x minus 1. You see here they are asking for coefficient of x2. Question is coefficient of x2 you have to find, and here x2 is missing. X2 is not there. So we have to presume something so that its value is not changed, but x2 should come. So how it should come? If we take 0x2 plus this whole 2x minus 1. Okay. So this will make x as a 0, and this value of the equation will not change. So here x2 coefficient is 0. Okay. This will be your answer. Now we will go to the third question. Give one example of binomial degree of 35 and monomial degree of 100. So before doing to this, okay, I will rub and then I will explain. Now question number third. Question number third, you have to tell binomial of degree 35 and nominal of degree 100. So as terms wise, terms in expression, if one term it is monomial. If two terms binomial. If three terms trinomial. And how terms occur by plus or minus sign separate in expression, in algebraic expression. Okay. So how you will know how many terms? Plus or minus sign, it indicates how many terms are there if one term monomial, binomial. So your question is binomial, but at least binomial means two terms at least should be there. So two terms means you take x square plus x, and here you make power of 35, you make power of 35. Okay, this is of 35. This upper portion is known as the degree. Okay. Then another question, monomial of degree 100. Monomial of degree 100 we can take as this monomial because only one term is there here, 1 and 1, 2 plus sign is there, so two terms was binomial. Okay. Now question number 4. Question number 4. Write the degree of each of the following. 5x3 plus 4x2 plus 7x. So here the maximum power is known as the degree, maximum power. Okay. So here degree is 3. Degree is 3 because 3 is the maximum power. So 4 minus y2 degree is 2. 5t minus under root 7. So t has 1. 1 is not here. So 1 degree because t 1 will be here. Okay. Then fourth 3. So here we can take x0. X0 means 1 and 3 multiplied by 1 it will remain 3. So this we will presume x power 0. So here x power 0 we can take. So its power will be 0. Any alphabet which has a power of 0 equals to 1. Any alphabet, y power 0 is equal to 1. So it is always equal to 1. So in this way it goes. Question number 5. Classifying linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. So this is term wise. Now degree wise. If you divide polynomials, degree wise polynomials. So if 1 degree, then it is linear. If it is 2 degree, then quadratic. If it is 3 try. If it is 3, so it is known as cubic. Okay. If it is 4, by quadratic. Okay. So these are degree wise. Your question is classify the following into linear, quadratic and cubic. So you have to see the degree. If degree 1 linear, degree 2 is, and how how we can know the degree by the power we see, the highest power. Okay. So 1 is x2 plus x, it is of 2, power degree is of 2 degrees, so it is of quadratic. So this is quadratic. Then x minus x3, here degree is 3, so it is cubic. Y plus y2 plus 4, here degree is 2, so it is quadratic. One plus x, here degree is x degree is 1, so 1 is linear. T, so it is also 1 because 1 is here, that is always there, linear. Then your R2, then 6 is R2, so second it is quadratic. 7x3, it is 3, degree is 3, so it is cubic. So in this way you can sort terms wise, degree wise, and maximum power is the degree. Okay. Now we will go to the next exercise. Exercise 2.2, question number 1. Find the value of polynomial. Polynomial is 5x minus 4 x square plus 3. At they have given, suppose x is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 2. So we are taking third one, x is equal to minus 2. At x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2. It means the value of x has to be replaced here. So we will write, you can write p and this value instead of x, px, in x we can write 2. So p and 2 equal to 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 to the 10 minus 4 into 4 plus 3 is equal to 10 minus 4 16 plus 3 is equal to minus 3. So this is your answer. Okay. Now question number 2. All questions we are not solving, some questions we are solving. Find P0. P0 means the value of value of x is to be taken as a 0. Okay. And P0 and P1 means x value 1 you have to take. Like here we have taken P2. They are asking P0, P1 and P2. Okay. It means the value you have to put it here and then like this expand in this. So second question we are solving. In the question it is P bracket T is equal to 2 plus T plus 2 T square minus T3. So we can take any one, P0, P1, P2. They are asking. Solving method is the same. Only thing, if 2 is there, you write 2. If 1 is here, 1 you write. If 0 is there, you write here. So we will take this. Suppose P1 we are taking. So here we will write P1 is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 the power plus 1 power 3. 1, because 1 we have taken. In this way, other also you can solve. Plus 2 1 2, 2 minus 1. Okay. So this is 3 to 5. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 is your answer. In this way, other also you can find for this. This is the algebraic expression. This is known as Px. And when we change the value, suppose p equal to 2 we are taking, then here we will write 2. Like pt means this is a expression of t. Here we will put 1 and then the answer will come. Likewise here another third we can take. Okay. Px is equal to x3. So if we want to, last time we have taken P1, now we will take P2 or P0, you can also take P0. P0 means 0 power 3 is equal to 0 will be answer. And if you take 2, so P2 will be x power is 2 power 3. So is equal to 8. Then this will be your answer. Okay. In this way you can solve other also. Question number 3. Verify whether the following are zeros of. Verify you have to verify whether zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of polynomial. You have to verify polynomial. It means if we will take one question first, then you will understand. Px is equal to 5x minus pi. Okay, and x is equal to 4 upon 5. Okay, so zeros of polynomial means it is a polynomial. Okay. And it is x you have written means this is a x polynomial. Okay. And here value of x you have to take 4 upon 5. So we will make, in place of x we will make 4 upon 5. Okay. Then 5 into 4 upon 5 minus pi. So it will struck 4 minus pi. So here you see 0 of polynomial. If after solving this comes to 0, then it is a factor. Then this is a factor of this one. If 0 is not coming, it is not a 0 of polynomial. So here it is not a polynomial. Not. Its answer is not. Okay. Now in this we will take another question. Third question. Okay. Third question we will take. Px is equal to x square minus 1, where x is equal to 1 and minus 1. So 1 by 1 we will solve. So P1 is equal to 1 power 2 minus 1 equal to 0. Yes, it is a 0 of polynomial. So x equal to 1 is a 0 of polynomial. This x, it is yes. It is a 0 of this polynomial x square minus. It is a polynomial of this x equal to 1. X equal to 1 means x minus 1 equal to 0. So this is a polynomial. This is a 0 of it. Likewise we take minus 1, p minus 1. Okay. So minus 1 whole power minus 1. So it will become plus, because power is minus, it will become plus. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So this is also 0 of, yes, this is also 0. In this way you can find also. Okay, now one more we will take. One more I will take. Question number 7. Or I will rub 1 minute. So seventh question we are taking. So here this is the polynomial, and this is the value of x. We have to find whether these are the zeros of polynomial or not. Zeros of the polynomial we have to find. So this value we will put here. P minus 1 under root 3 equal to 3 into minus 1 upon under root 3 whole minus 1. Okay, so 3, it will make it 1 plus 1. So into plus 1, and this will be whole number. 3 into under root 3 into under root 3. Under root 3 into under root 3 is equal to 3. So this and this will subtract, is equal to 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Yes, so this is the zeros of the, it is 0 of polynomial. 0 of polynomial. Polynomial, it is 0. Now we will try this one also. So P 2 upon under root 3 is equal to 3 into 2 upon under root 3 whole power minus 1. So equal to 3 into 4 upon 3 minus 1. So this will go 4 minus 1 equal to 3. So it is not a 0, not a 0 of polynomial. So in this way you can find out and tell. Now question number 4 we are going. Question number, find the 0 of polynomial in each of the following cases. In each of the third, fourth number. Question number 4 and fourth we are taking. Question 4 and fourth we are taking. Find the 0 of polynomial. You have to find the 0 of polynomial. Zeros of polynomial. Okay. So 0 of polynomials means if you will put the value, the answer should come to 0. If it comes to 0, it is a 0 of the polynomial. So fourth one is px is equal to 3x minus 2. Find that. So here we will start with some figure whose value should come to 0. So here 3x minus 2. If we take it 1, 3 minus 2 will not come. So it is not a. So suppose here we will take. So here px is this one. So 3x is equal to 2 minus 2 will go to other side, it becomes 2. So x become 2 upon 3. So this is the 0 of the polynomial. Okay. Now question number 7. Px, we have to take cx plus d. Okay. So here we will keep cx is equal to minus d. X is equal to minus d upon c. So this is the answer. This is your answer. Then another we can take 6th number. Px is equal to ax. So x is equal to, this will go to other side, then it will be 0 upon a. Okay, this will be your answer.